Hello, this is Jessica Peanut, and I just wanted to do a blog on some political stuff. It's one of a rant. No, get me, I'm very happy that Barack's in office, but one of the things that he ran on for the gay community is taking away the Defense of Marriage Act. So we can't get benefits or potentially see each other in the hospital, make life decisions. Deborah and I got married, like ring, and we have a certificate. We got married in whatever year it came. I think it was 2004, 2005. We found a chief judge or whatever down in Provincetown, and she married us on her lawn. But I digress. I guess I'm not sure if he'll overturn it or not. I know he won't have any support from the Republicans or any elderly person. But, they call it the Defense of Marriage Act. And then you hear it's between a man and a woman. It's sacred. And only the man and the woman can have the sacredness. So, I guess some of those same people, some are in my family, have had divorces, my grandmother had 5 divorces, and got to be remarried. So you see it, I think the last figure I saw, the divorce rate nationally was like 57%. And in Mass, where you can get legally married, it's a gay couple, is a lot lower than that. So we didn't go out and recruit people to be, mommies or daddies or gay, straight, whatever. But I guess that the whole, it doesn't make sense, Defense of Marriage Act. And men, old white men don't even want to touch it because of all the stuff that's going on. You got Vitter and you got, what's his name in New York, in Clinton, you got them all fooling around. So they were, getting outside of the marriage. So I guess I'm just a little pissed that it's still on the books, and it should be one of the first orders he signs. I wish it was. But the stimulus I know is more important. But it's like, do it in the honeymoon stage so you can get it done. I'm afraid most people will fight it. But it's really important to me because I need to get on my partner's benefits, and I can't until Washington says so. The other thing I wanted to talk about, and this last week got me, is Barack had been in office not even a week or not even, but he presented his stimulus package, and of course all the Republicans, it froze up on me again. But what I was saying about the Republicans weren't going to vote for the stimulus package at all, and I think the ironic thing is that they're bringing to get a stimulus package they think is better, and less talking about Republicans and stimulus package.
Yeah, like we want to listen to them now after they got us into this mess.
Yeah.
To me, that's just the height of arrogance.
Well, to come out on
your
national
policies are why we're here, and then you're saying, no. The guy that 80% of the country trusts to fix things doesn't know as much as we do.
Yeah.
I think most people. Hot topic. I mean, it certainly is something that's affecting us personally.
Yeah.
And we're good people. We've been hard-working fucking taxpayers all our lives. We're in the top of the tax bracket, but we don't make enough money to take advantage of the loopholes. So probably more of our income percentage-wise goes to taxes than most people. Because people are either wealthier and can take advantage of the loopholes that are written for the wealthy by setting up partnerships and trusts and all that crap they do, or that they make less money so they're in a lower tax bracket. So more of our money goes to pay taxes, and it pays for public schools and shit for kids, and we don't even have fucking kids.
I know.
And they don't want to give us health care. And it's not like I'm asking for anything that a married couple doesn't get. A married couple, a husband or wife can put their wife or husband on the policy the first fucking day. And we've been together 23 years. It makes me livid.
Well, to me, if it's a Defense of Marriage Act, then they should. Can you turn that off? I'm videotaping.
Oh, you're videotaping now? Did you tape everything I just said? Oh.
Um.
I didn't realize you had that on.
Yeah. The DOMA though, because it's the Defense of Marriage Act, it should be that nobody could get divorces, because if that's so sacred for only them, then they can't be coming around saying.
That's another thing that is, where the hell do they think they fucking get off calling it the Defense of Marriage Act? I mean, how fucking egocentric and arrogant and I don't know, just exclusionary can you be?
I know.
You know, how dare they? This is not an issue of gay marriage. This is an issue of civil rights and freedom. You know, and they always bring in the argument, well, if we let the gays marry, everything goes to hell in a handbasket. You know, then people are going to be marrying their dogs, and all kinds of people are going to be having multiple. You know, they're not. You just, you know, if it's consenting adults, let them do what the hell they want. I think if a man wants to have 10 wives and the women aren't, you know, raised in bondage so that they have to do it, fine. But, you know, government shouldn't be in fucking marriage anyway. Marriage is
a church thing,
a religious institution. It is not a social institution. And the people that argue that it is, like that pizza boy guy, you know, ooh, the foundation of society is going to fall apart. It's like, no, I don't think so. Guess what? Massachusetts, the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, has the lowest divorce rate in the entire country among heterosexuals. And I'll tell you something else. It's not coincidental that it also has the lowest rate of battered, abusive spouses, whether it's the husband toward the wife or the wife toward the husband. We all know in most cases it's the husband toward the wife, but still.
Yeah.
They have the lowest incidence of spousal abuse, the lowest rate of divorce in this state. Now, gay marriage has been legal since 2004. Okay,
yeah.
So it's almost 5 years. This coming May will be 5 years. Now, maybe it'll take longer, you say, but we haven't caused the straight marriage divorce rate to go up in Massachusetts. We haven't done a fucking thing in Massachusetts that has undermined culture here. It's still one of the most highly educated populations in the nation. So all of these arguments about, you know, how these things are going to happen are disproven. They're stupid arguments anyway. They're groundless. They're based in bias and prejudice, but they're disproven. So, you know, we don't even need to listen to people like that.
Well, hopefully he'll overturn it in the next month. So that was my rant, along with Silly Leslie. I think she goes by Deborah.
I go by Deborah on Bloggerheads.
On Bloggerheads. So thanks for listening, but Deborah has good points.